Hey guys! Today, I'll walk you through the steps to install Geode after the latest update in Geometry Dash. This method works on both iOS and Android devices. As you can see, I already have it installed on my phone. If you want to achieve the same, stick around until the end of the video so you don't miss anything important, because I'll guide you step by step, making it easy to follow. Grab your device and let's get started. Before we dive in, let's cover 2 quick setup checks. This part is specifically for iOS users. If you're using an Android device, feel free to skip ahead to the main installation method. iOS users, go to Settings, select General and tap on Background App Refresh. Ensure that either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data is selected to allow the app to update and work efficiently in the background. Next, return to Settings, select Battery, and make sure Low Power Mode is turned off, as it can limit the app's performance. Once you've done these checks, we're ready to start the installation. Now, open your browser and go to appbinge.com, a reliable source for modded applications. Search for Geode and select it from the results. You'll see a page with information like download counts and community ratings. Simply click the Download Now button to start the download and installation process. It's quick, and you should soon get a confirmation message once it's successfully installed. If the message doesn't appear right away, and this is your first time using the site, the server may require a few extra files to be downloaded. No worries, it's simple and completely free, and the on-screen instructions will guide you through this step. Once that's done, the installation will finalize. I've already installed the mod, and everything works perfectly. And that's it. The full method for getting Geode. Thanks for watching till the end. If this video was helpful and everything worked as expected, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content like this. If you have questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to help. Thanks again, and see you in the next video!